Shalom friends, today I'm going to show you how I make this cactus health drink with cactus, turmeric and coconut water. I'm also going to add in some cayenne pepper. So I'm going to start by, I'm using this jar to put everything in. I'm going to start by cutting up but I don't have a fancy way to cut cactus. You just cut it up.
Turmeric, bright golden spice, fights inflammation, oh so nice. Keeps your joints and body strong, helps your health all day long. Don't mix it up, sip it slow. Turmeric, cactus, cayenne flow, coconut water makes it bold. Together we get liquid gold. Coconut water, fresh and sweet, hydration power can't be beat. Potassium keeps the body clear, refreshing goodness, bring it here. Cayenne fire, little heat, boosts metabolism, can't be beat. Wakes your system, gets it right, energy flowing day or night. Cactus green, desert gem, good for sugar, healing stem, full of fiber, vitamins too, nature's gift so good for you. Don't mix it up, sip it slow. Turmeric, cactus, cayenne flow, coconut water makes it bold. Together we get liquid gold. Turmeric, bright golden spice.
Okay, so I'm going to put this in the fridge because it's coconut water I use. You could use normal water if you choose, and you could add whatever you want to this mix. I just add the cactus, turmeric, cayenne pepper and coconut water.
Coconut water, fresh and sweet, hydration power can't be beat. Potassium keeps the body clear, refreshing goodness, bring it here. Cayenne fire, little heat, boosts metabolism, can't be beat. Wakes your system, gets it right, energy flowing day or night. Don't mix it up, sip it slow. Turmeric, cactus, cayenne flow, coconut